Hey guys, Donna Coker here with Donna Coker's The Cherry Bloom Handmade Soaps, and I'm here today to cut our Hey Baby Cinnamon Bun Paradise. We actually just got back from a low country boil and we hung out with a lot of great people, but I could not wait to get back and cut my soap. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. All of our Hey Baby soaps have the heart in them, which is an embed. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I'm going to do a making video on this one because we did the video for making the Hey Baby hot chocolate. It's about the same process, just with our Cinnamon Bun Paradise. So I decided to do the cutting video because cutting is my favorite part. And I know a lot of people like to watch the cutting videos as well. And I like to make them. Oh my goodness gracious. I like to make them. So, yeah. So just do a little cutting video. I actually did these a little bit differently. I didn't stick the embeds together. I put them in individually and placed them so that I hopefully knew they would be in the middle of each bar. So we're going to see if that is actually what happened. So far, so good. Put it a little closer. Yeah. That's on the front and the back of each bar. Just a few more cuts to make, and we'll see if this method works as well as actually having the embeds all together. But so far so good. So okay, I think we can safely say that we were able to take those embeds and put them in one by one and make sure they were on cut lines and not have to stick them all together, which actually makes it a little better even on the end there. Just a little planing. Actually makes it a lot better because we're not using as many embeds. So that's actually great. Anyway, just wanted to share that video with you guys, and I hope you liked the video. If you do, I hope you'll watch some of the others. If you like the videos, please hit like, subscribe, and if you hit the little notification bell, you'll get notifications when we upload videos. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.